Hey guys, good morning. I had to wake up early. As you can see, it's still morning time. Sun hasn't really risen yet, but it's 6:30 right now. We're heading up to Ubud market. We're going to do a Indonesian cooking class today, this morning. So we got to leave here early. Ubud is about an hour and a half away from here. So we got to meet them at 8 o'clock. It's going to be a dope experience. You know, whenever we go to countries, we like to, try to get as much culture as we can while we're here. The past couple of days didn't have a lot of culture in it, but today, promise to bring some more culture to y'all.
Call it garam masala. In Indian food, Thai food, Indonesian food, we use a lot. This is mix of the spice. Consists of coriander. In Bali, only 5.
Yeah, mix it like coriander.
Oh, that is coriander, black pepper, and we use nut muscad inside, nutmeg, candle nut, and one more is cloves. Inside, yeah. But in Indian, they add cardamom, anise, cinnamon, sesame seed. That is around 18 ingredients. In Bali, only 5. Later on, we give you the recipe. Don't worry. Yeah. And this is coconut oil. Today in cooking, we will use coconut oil. Before you start for the cooking, we will show you how is the local people make coconut oil and coconut milk in Bali. Yeah. Later on, we show you how to do it. Okay.
I know this about to be bomb. Alright, we just finished our feast and it was fantastic. If you're ever in Bali and you want to do a cooking class, do Ketut Cooking Class. It's him and his family. Everything is amazing. For about $350,000, which is like $25 US. It's well worth the investment. Yeah, so I think we're about to leave soon. We just paid the bill. Meet up with our driver. I think we might be going to some different locations. But yeah, if we do, we'll definitely keep you all along. So once again, Ketut Bali Cooking Class, off the chain. This is before you clean?
Yeah, before you clean.
Okay.
So the pool, we collect them all.
Yeah, it's okay.
But this one, they still have the skin. So have to take off the skin like this.
Oh, okay.
So we get the coffee bean inside.
Oh.
So this one that we use to make the coffee.
Brian is roasting the coffee.
I'm out here making the best coffee in the world right now.
Look at his face though. They ain't taking the foot.
And after it filled,
And this is the last, we're sifting the coffee. So
Oh,
this is the,
it comes out of through there?
yeah.
Ah.
45 minutes.
Alright, we at Bali Pulina Plantation. I'm about to taste some coffees and what's it called? Luwak?
Luwak.
Luwak. This is the view while sipping the coffee of the rice terrace.
So pretty.
It's a beautiful spot. The coffee tasting is free. But if you want to, if you want a specific cup of coffee, that's when it costs a certain price. I think 30,000 for one cup of the non-specialty coffee, but the Luwak coffee is 50,000 for a cup.
But that doesn't come in the free tasting though.
Yeah, yeah. So if you want to try that, you have to buy that. So it's hot out here. We're just gonna sip some. Yeah, that's
The ones that come free, free sampling.
We're just gonna split a cup of the Luwak, and we're both just gonna sip off the coffee together.
You can follow the picture in the menu for the name. So for the pure cacao and Bali coffee is without sugar, and the rest is already with sugar.
Okay. All right, which one's first?
Chocolate coffee, lemon tea.
You want to do this one first?
Yeah, sure.
Mmm. That's good. Maybe we should do the teas first. You want some more of this?
We can do it.
We should do teas first. Because,
Why?
Because the rest are coffee. I feel like I might mess up the flavor of tea.
Okay. Is lemon?
Yeah. Ginger. But I like the lemon tea better.
Ooh.
Turmeric tea. Mmm. Yeah, that's good. It's my favorite tea. And then next,
This coffee right here.
ginger coffee.
Oh, it's only coffee's left.
I don't like the ginger stuff that much. It's not bad, but
So this is the Luwak coffee.
I think it tastes good. I mean,
It's a little bitter to me.
it tastes like black coffee.
Look at Tiffany with a grandma fan.
Listen, y'all, and then this thing's collapsible, so it's like a little circle you just put in your purse and pop that joint out when you're ready.
Oh, so you just gonna finish all the lemon tea?
I asked you, did you want any more? You was too busy on the focus on stuff. I'm gonna buy it though. I'm making something at home.
All right, we are at Temple Empul. Tirta Empul. This is the Holy Water Springs temple. Very popular. They have a ritual where you could, like, you know, do like a bathe or whatever, and you know, cleanse your soul or your spirit or something along those lines. I will probably go through the ritual. Tiffany more likely will not.
Do you remember how to do it?
I have no idea, but
I'm sure that's how you feel.
listen, if I'm taking a bath, if I can step my big toe in there, I'm cleansed, okay?
Pretty sure that's... No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I'm pretty sure that's not how it works.
It doesn't matter. If my big toe go in there, all my sins are gone. I wonder how long do I stay under there?
I think you just do whatever you feel.
Okay. This ain't about to be cold.
The one with the bigger nozzles, you skip those. That's 11 and 12. So there's 13 total, and you skip 11 and 12. You do the daily offering, which are the offerings here. You sit over here and you meditate for 5 minutes. You get this green sarong, and you start over there, go through all of the spouts, and you skip 11 and 12.
All right. Last night in Sydney, and we can't go out like last night. We can't. We cannot do it. Came home.
Gotta do something.
Gotta do something. Came home. Didn't even lay. Well, Tiffany laid down. I didn't lay down.
You slept in the car on the way back.
For like 30 minutes. Anyway, we gotta do something tonight. So the plan is to do something tonight. What we're gonna do is go to this beach bar, beach lounge, whatever you call it, on the beach, beanbags, La Plancha. Supposed to be dope from like 8 to midnight. They got music playing, all that good stuff. So yeah, man, we got energy.
We do, right now.
We good. When we lay down on the beach bags, you never know what's gonna happen after that. But anyway, we ready. We got a little drinks over here. I know I just got spiritually purified earlier today, but the real spirits are about to be in me in a couple minutes, so bear with me here. Got the whiskey popping off and stuff like that, so. But
if anyone wants to know why I didn't go in the temple, I heard that when they do the thing, they wash their head and they drink the water and spit it out. Once I heard the spit out part, I was like, no.
Yeah, I ain't thinking anybody do that, but
I saw people do that.
In that pool?
Yeah.
At the same time? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
That's part of the ritual.
Well, I took a thorough bath when I got back. So we made it to La Plancha, as you can tell. We got these umbrellas here, all over the place. And it's the beach over here.
You guys, our hookah came. We got double apple, and it actually has an apple in it.
Legit.
a legit apple in the hookah.
La Plancha, dope. I'm a little tipsy right now. I just had one margarita.
No.
Huh?
That whiskey we had in the room.
Oh shit! Oh, I'm sorry. Family vlog. The food came out. It looked delicious. Wagyu beef burger.
And then I have tiger prawns yet again.
Yeah, this place is legit.
All right, guys, we're back in the room. We had a great time at La Plancha. I don't know if we got this part on camera, but towards the end, they started putting up fireworks. And so we were saying that was a perfect way to end our time in Seminyak. So we check out of this villa tomorrow at noon, and we're going to just enjoy the villa by the pool. And then we're going to head to Ubud. So hopefully you all enjoyed today's vlog. We'll have another set of activities lined up in Ubud, and we'll of course vlog what we do. So see you guys in the next one. Good night.